So here today we're having a sample class for weaving, and this is the City of Dublin Adult Education Service. There are so many free classes you can do through this service all across the city. All the classes are free, and there's a huge range. There's something to suit everybody, and I just don't think that people know that this service is there for the people of Dublin. So I think this is a great event for that reason.
I like creative things and I like colour, and usually creative things are connected. The people who are creative, they like all types of creative stuff. So just decided to come along, and I decided to make this. It's just a bookmark, but it also could be a bracelet, so it's something very simple. You don't have to start you don't have to start weaving. This is a very simple thing to start at a bookmark. And she said she was going to teach us how to do hair braiding, how to make the braids themselves, which is kind of interesting, and it's not too complicated. You know, you can go in at any level. You don't have to do a big masterpiece.
People come out to these classes for all kinds of reasons. It could be, we have younger people and older people and immigrants and people trying to fit into making new friends or a change in your life. You might be retired, or you might find yourself unemployed, or whatever, you know.
A learning city should be continuous, not start and stop, and connecting with people and connecting with courses. And like when I started the jewellery courses, then I was introduced to the weaving. I never was interested in weaving, never thought I would like it, but it's because if you're introduced to something and give it a try, you never know. And I love colour, so you can make it at whatever level you're able.
So contact us and find out about how to get involved.